everyone. Welcome to Rainbow Network Media. Please kindly subscribe to this channel for interesting news. Thank you all for listening. The recent demolition of some major roundabouts in Owerri, the Imo State capital, on the order of the state governor, Hope Uzodinma, has been generating much reactions from the people in the state. Some residents have described the move as a welcome development, while others view it as misplaced priority and waste of public funds in the face of their financial challenges bedwelling the state. Residents of Owerri on Tuesday woke up to discover that the popular Imo State University IMSU Junction roundabout, situated along Okigwe Road area of the state capital, has been demolished. On August 10th, 2021, the Government House, Okigwe Road, by Withdrawal roundabout constructed by Rochas Okorocha Rescue Mission Administration, was also pulled down by the 3R government of Senator Hope Uzodinma. First to be affected was the warehouse roundabout situated in front of the Imo International Conference Center IICC, followed by the Emmanuel College roundabout by Wedra Road. Other roundabouts destroyed include the fire service roundabout situated along Mbasi Road, Poly Junction by Naze Aba Road, among others. The pulling down of this roundabout, described as landmark structures by the rescued mission government, has raised some concerns from stakeholders who have questioned the rationale behind the demolition. A senior Owerri-based lawyer and human rights activist, Callistus Osueke, has taken a sweep at the Imo State Governor, Senator Hope Uzodinma, for demolishing some of former Governor Okorocha's signature projects in an attempt to erase his legacies, thereby inflicting pain on Imo people who are helplessly watching in disappointment. He noted that he has been in the state for a long time and witnessed the administration of James Aneke, Tanko Zubairu, Achike Uzenwa, Ikedi Ohakim, Rochas Okorocha, and Ameka Ihudua, but has never seen a government that is as insensitive to the plight of the people as the self-acclaimed Hope Uzodinma shared prosperity government that has not only alienated itself from the people but takes delight in unleashing pain, hardship, lack, and deprivation on them. Some motorists who spoke to the reporter who visited the scene said, "We support the demolition of the Bugos roundabout, which occupies a greater part of the road and makes it difficult for vehicles to cross the area, thereby causing traffic gridlock." A journalist, Ukeoma, who also faulted the demolition exercise, said that the governor should have focused on addressing pressing challenges such as payment of arrears, workers' salaries. Imo is the only state where the government demolished a roundabout and rebuilt it, he said. So guys, there has been different types of reactions from the Imo residents concerning uh, the demolitions of roundabouts in Imo State. Some agreed uh, with the present government for the demolitions, and some are in disagreement. Some people are in disagreement of the action that has been taken by the present government. Let's know your own views, your thoughts concerning this news. Please drop your comment in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates. Thank you all for listening.